SCHD versus DGRO, two of the most popular dividend growth ETFs. But which one is actually better? Over the past 10 years, SCHD returned about 172%, while DGRO delivered around 156%, giving SCHD the edge on performance. But DGRO holds over 400 stocks compared to SCHD's 100, making it more diversified. Expense ratios are nearly identical, so cost isn't a major factor. So what really matters? In this video, I'll break down returns, dividend growth, holdings, sectors, and risk. And most importantly, which ETF fits your goals. By the end, you'll know exactly which one belongs in your portfolio. Here's what we're covering. First, the 10-year performance battle. Total returns, how each fund handled market crashes, and dividend growth rates. Then, the holdings comparison. What you actually own in each fund and why it matters. Next, the hidden differences. Diversification, sector allocation, and methodology. Finally, the decision framework. Should you own SCHD, DGRO, or both? Quick disclaimer, this is educational comparison based on historical data, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always do your own research and consult qualified professionals before investing. The 10-year performance battle. Let's start with the numbers. I'm comparing from 2016 to 2026, a full 10 years. SCHD performance. $100,000 invested in SCHD 10 years ago is worth approximately $272,000 today. That's a 172% total return, or about 10.5% annualized with dividends reinvested. SCHD's dividend per share grew from $1.33 to $3.44 over that period. That's 159% dividend growth, or about 10% annually. DGRO performance. $100,000 invested in DGRO is worth approximately $256,000 today. That's a 156% total return, or about 9.8% annualized. DGRO's dividend per share grew from 85 cents to $2.12. That's 149% dividend growth, or about 9.5% annually. Winner on total return. SCHD by $16,000. SCHD returned 172% versus DGRO's 156%. That's a 16 percentage point difference over 10 years. On a $100,000 investment, that's $16,000 more in your pocket with SCHD. Current yields. SCHD yields 3.6% today. DGRO yields 2.3%. SCHD's yield is 56% higher than DGRO's. If you own $100,000 in SCHD, you're receiving $3,600 annually. With DGRO, you're receiving $2,300. That's $1,300 less per year in dividend income. Performance. During crashes. March 2020. COVID crash. SCHD dropped 33%. DGRO dropped 30%. DGRO held up slightly better because it's more diversified with 419 holdings versus SCHD's 103. More stocks mean less concentration risk. 2022 bear market. SCHD dropped 18%. DGRO dropped 16%. Again, DGRO's diversification provided a small cushion. Winner on volatility, DGRO. DGRO is less volatile during downturns because it holds 4 times as many stocks as SCHD. If you're risk-averse, that matters. The holdings comparison. Now let's look at what you actually own in each fund. SCHD holdings. SCHD holds about 100 high-quality dividend stocks. To qualify, companies must have at least 10 years of consistent dividend payments, strong cash flow, and solid financial metrics. This makes SCHD very selective and conservative. Top holdings include companies like Merck, Chevron, PepsiCo, and Coca-Cola. These are mature, stable businesses. Notably, SCHD has little to no exposure to major tech giants. DGRO Holdings. DGRO is much broader, holding over 400 stocks. It focuses on companies with recent dividend growth, not long histories. That means faster-growing businesses can qualify. Top holdings include Microsoft, Apple, JP Morgan Chase, and Broadcom. DGRO includes tech and growth-oriented companies. Key difference: SCHD prioritizes stability and proven dividends, while DGRO focuses on growth and diversification. Bottom line, SCHD is more conservative. DGRO is more growth-focused within dividend investing. Sector allocation and diversification. Let's compare sector allocation and diversification. SCHD. Financials approximately 19%. Healthcare approximately 17%. Consumer staples approximately 16%. Industrials approximately 14%. Energy approximately 12%. Tech 0%. It's focused on value sectors with no tech exposure. DGRO. Tech approximately 22%. Financials approximately 18%. Healthcare approximately 13%. Industrials approximately 12%. Staples approximately 9%. Energy approximately 4%. DGRO includes major tech companies, making tech its largest sector. Implication: if you believe in tech growth, DGRO has the advantage. If you prefer value and stability, SCHD fits better. Diversification: DGRO holds 400-plus stocks, while SCHD holds about 100. Winner on diversification: DGRO. More stocks mean lower single-stock risk. The decision framework. So, which one should you own? SCHD or DGRO? Choose 100% SCHD if you want a higher current yield, around 3.5% plus, and prefer value-focused, stable companies. SCHD avoids tech entirely and focuses on proven dividend payers with long track records. It's ideal if you're comfortable with slightly higher concentration in exchange for stronger income and quality screening. Choose 100% DGRO if you want maximum diversification and exposure to tech giants like Microsoft and Apple while still earning dividends. DGRO offers broader sector coverage and tends to be more balanced and growth-oriented. Choose both 50-50 or 60-40. If you want the best of both worlds, SCHD's strong income plus DGRO's diversification and growth exposure. This approach helps balance value and growth strategies. My approach: I use roughly a 70-30 split, SCHD-DGRO. SCHD is my core for income, while DGRO adds diversification and tech exposure. Bottom line, your choice depends on your goal: income, growth, or a balanced mix of both. The final verdict and unexpected insight. Here's the final verdict. SCHD wins on total return, 172% versus 156%. Current yield, 3.6% versus 2.3%. Dividend income generated. Expense ratio, 0.06% versus 0.08%. Simpler, more focused portfolio. DGRO wins on diversification, 419 stocks versus 103. Lower volatility during crashes. Tech exposure for growth. Broader sector allocation. Quarterly rebalancing versus annual. The surprising conclusion: most people assume SCHD is the obvious winner because it has higher returns and higher yield. And if you only care about performance and income, SCHD does win. But DGRO is the better choice if you value diversification and want some tech exposure without sacrificing dividend growth. Here's the insight that surprised me. DGRO and SCHD have a correlation of about 0.92. That means they move together 92% of the time. They're not that different. You're essentially splitting hairs between two excellent funds. The real decision isn't SCHD versus DGRO. It's whether you want higher yield and concentration with SCHD or lower yield and diversification with DGRO. Both will make you money over 20 years. Both are safe, reliable dividend growth funds. What I'm doing? I'm keeping my 70% SCHD, 30% DGRO allocation. SCHD is my core because the yield and track record are better. DGRO is my hedge because it gives me tech exposure and 300 extra stocks for diversification. If SCHD didn't exist, I'd own 100% DGRO. If DGRO didn't exist, I'd own 100% SCHD. But since both exist, I own both. Your turn. What's your allocation? 100% SCHD? 100% DGRO? 50-50 split? Drop your percentage in the comments and tell me why you chose that allocation. I want to see what everyone is doing. I'll respond to every comment. Subscribe if you want more head-to-head ETF comparisons with real data like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.